County is facing a challenge affecting communities across the country, a shortage of paramedics. EMS leaders say it's getting harder to find and keep qualified staff, and that could delay emergency response times. Carmen Brown shares what's driving the shortage and what's being done to keep emergency responses strong.
From the outside, ambulances in Peach County are rolling as usual. But inside, the struggle to keep them staffed is growing as the pool of applicants keeps shrinking.
I know in a 2022 survey of the industry, only 3% of the respondents in the U.S. reported not having any recruitment challenges.
The numbers tell the story. The pandemic accelerated an exit of EMS workers nationwide. Now agencies everywhere are struggling to fill the gaps. That's according to Peach County EMS Director Brian Donaldson. He says his agency is still able to staff its ambulances, but with fewer part-time workers available, the safety net is thinner, but says it's not just a problem for Peach.
When we need mutual aid from neighboring agencies, oftentimes because their pool of talent isn't as deep as they'd like it, they don't have the extra trucks to provide mutual aid.
The county's growth means more calls and added pressure, but recruiting new paramedics isn't easy. The work is demanding, and pay often lags behind other healthcare jobs. The starting paramedic pay in Peach is $26.90 an hour, while part-time starting EMTs make $18.69.
It's hard sometimes, and the hours are long. You either work 12 hours or 24 hours. You're on the road most of your shift, and so the stress weighs on you.
Melissa Rogers has worked in EMS for 20 years. She says for those who answer the call, the rewards go beyond a paycheck.
Just to help them, to make them try to feel better, it is very rewarding.
Something she hopes to do for years to come. In Peach County, Carmen Brown, 13 WMAZ News.
Donaldson says they're exploring partnerships with local colleges and relaunching their EMT training program to build a pipeline of new talent. Now, like we said, the problem isn't just in Peach County. Houston County is also battling a paramedic shortage.
The big issue with response times especially is short staffing. We're seeing short staffing not only here locally, but across the state.
Documents from the county revealed some patients wait more than an hour for emergency medical help. In April, Houston Healthcare told us they're working on the problem. They purchased 2 new ambulances and upgraded equipment for 10 others. They also held a hiring event to bring in more talent.